Front double bicep. Front lat spread. Side chest. Back double bicep. Back lat spread. Side triceps.
Good here.
We said you did it! Disappointed in the first category, but here he is. The winner for Bodybuilding Open. Congratulations.
National overall champion, and you come and you take the Invitational.
That's all
Must be a good feeling.
Oh
Talk
gosh,
about
man. Repeating again. I mean, I beat everybody on the stage already, so just a matter of coming and just doing the same thing, basically, just repeating the process, you know?
Coming in, what do you think? What you felt like you had to do well tonight?
Alright, so I had to fix up some of my poses from nationals just to solidify the win. Especially, I want to come in a little more condition from nationals with a little more size, and I got better, I kept improving. Yeah, so that's what I really pushed on. So I actually brought a better package to invitationals because I learned my body more and more. So it's only up from here now.
Okay, what next for you?
What next? I'm coming again. I want to go back to CAC. I went to CAC in last month, so I want to go back. I want to come for that first place and get my pro card, you know.
Okay, so you're really interested in becoming a pro?
Yes, I'm really interested. I realize I have the talent for it, you know. I've been competing for 5 years and I wasn't really doing well until recently. Now I'm winning, so I'm saying, okay, this is definitely something that I am good at. You know what I mean? It just took time.